Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block microphone access to Google Chrome on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Google Chrome browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner and in the drop down menu select settings. In Chrome settings window, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, under privacy and security, click on this one option, site settings. Now on the right, scroll down to this one permissions section and click on this one microphone option. To allow microphone access under default behavior, select this one option. Sites can ask to use your microphone, and in case you want to disallow microphone access to Google Chrome, select the next one option. Don't allow sites to use your microphone.